Welcome back to the Finally 3D Masterclass. In this chapter I will explain you how to create Roman candles.
You may have noticed that there are no Roman candles in our demo database generic effects. So I will show you how to create this kind of effect. Again we go on Effects, and then Create Effects in the menu. The shortcut for this action is Ctrl-G. I will use it from time to time because it is faster. I remove the text here because it was from a previous created effect in another section. So, when I begin to type I start again with the size of the candle. I say it's a 8-shot candle and the duration of it is 20 seconds. After that I specify the effect of the candle. It's a red comet. And it has a silver tail, so I type with, or you maybe learned it from the other lesson that we can replace type a W/ instead of with and then specify the tail. If you look at our output, the type of the effect is at the moment a cake. As soon we add candle to the VDL term, the type in the output field is changing to candle of type comet. Also the other fields like duration and high are okay, but it is possible to change them later. Okay, let's press enter. Now I put the effects on all marked positions and play it. You will see 8 shots for each candle with a little randomness between the positions, because we have randomness and other things turned on to get a more realistic visualization, and I think it's okay. Duration and height also seems to be good here. Let's go on and create a new kind of candle, so I press Ctrl-G. We see the last definition, so we overwrite it with the new one. As always we begin with the size. This time for example it's 50 mm and try it with a bombette type of candle. It's a pink polyp with a green center and also a gold tail. It's a really nice effect, so let's spend the effect also a pink mine. Even if we added the word candle, you see that the type is still a shell. The reason for that is that at the moment we defined only 1 shot, so let's add 6 shots here and specify a duration. Test it and you'll see the pink mine and the gold tail. What a wonderful effect! That's how we create simple Roman candles. It's very easy and very fast to do that. So you can add this kind of type to the My Effects or wherever you want. If you have added all the new effects or made some updates on existing ones, it's very important that you sync the My Effects database with the network. You will also be asked for a sync if you close Finale, but you should call the sync from time to time. So in the case of a failure or a program crash you lose not so many changes. To do so, simply go to File and then call the sync with network entry. The function will tell you how many new effects and how many changed effects will be written to the cloud. I deleted 420 rows before to have a better overview. So, in my case I press cancel, but you would normally click the continue button to save it.